The Hornady Rapid Safe Night Guard is a revolutionary bedside safe designed for both firearm security and daily convenience. Combining modern style with cutting-edge RFID technology, it ensures quick, touch-free access to your firearm while maintaining maximum protection. Its sleek design blends seamlessly into your bedroom, doubling as a functional digital clock. Built with heavy-duty steel construction and tamper-proof security, it resists unauthorized access. Whether activated via RFID wristband, key fob, or a programmable code, this safe delivers speed when it matters most. With discreet storage and stylish practicality, it's the perfect solution for those who value readiness, safety, and modern living. The locking trunk rifle cabinet is designed for hunters, tactical professionals, and firearm owners who need secure transportation of long guns. Constructed from reinforced steel, this cabinet fits neatly inside most SUVs, trucks, and car trunks, providing hidden protection on the go. The lockable system prevents unauthorized access, while its foam-lined interior keeps rifles and optics safe from scratches or impacts. Engineered for rugged use, it's ideal for road trips, field operations, or discreet firearm storage. By combining mobility with security, the locking trunk rifle cabinet delivers peace of mind wherever your journey takes you. Discreet, functional, and innovative, the Tactical Wall's top locking concealment shelf transforms ordinary furniture into hidden security. Designed to resemble a traditional floating shelf, it provides quick access to handguns, rifles, or valuables hidden within its secret compartment. The top locking mechanism ensures controlled access, while magnetic key activation offers both speed and subtlety. Available in multiple finishes, it blends naturally into any home decor, making it the ideal choice for homeowners seeking to balance safety with aesthetics. Whether for home defense or secure storage, this shelf redefines discreet protection. The guitar rifle case is a creative blend of music gear aesthetics and firearm security. From the outside, it appears like a standard guitar case perfect for blending into urban environments or inconspicuous travel. Inside, custom foam inserts provide secure storage for rifles, shotguns, or tactical gear. Lightweight yet durable, it offers both portability and secrecy, ensuring that firearms remain discreetly protected from prying eyes. Currently in preview, this concept appeals to firearm enthusiasts who value both style and stealth in equal measure. The QuickSafes QuickVent is the ultimate hidden storage solution, designed to look like a standard air vent while secretly housing firearms or valuables. With RFID access technology, it unlocks instantly via keycard, bracelet, or token, offering both speed and security. Its flush-mounted design blends seamlessly into any wall, making it virtually undetectable. Perfect for homeowners seeking quick access in emergencies, the QuickVent is discreet, reliable, and engineered with solid construction to ensure long-lasting security. The gun bed combines home defense readiness with furniture innovation. Designed as a functional bed with a hidden firearm compartment, it allows instant access to rifles or shotguns from a sliding drawer beneath the mattress. The secure locking system ensures safety while maintaining rapid deployment in emergencies. Blending seamlessly into bedroom aesthetics, it removes the need for bulky gun safes while prioritizing accessibility. Practical, discreet, and robust, the gun bed is a revolutionary step in secure home defense solutions. This cleverly designed small hidden gun storage bookcase doubles as furniture while concealing a firearm compartment. From the outside, it looks like a compact bookshelf for decor or reading materials. Inside, a secure storage section ensures quick access to handguns or valuables. Its design is ideal for apartments, offices, or tight spaces where discretion is essential. With solid construction and easy concealment, it offers homeowners peace of mind without compromising style. Perfect for truck owners, the underseat pickup truck locking gun cabinet turns unused space into secure firearm storage. Custom fit for a variety of pickup models, this cabinet hides beneath the rear seat, keeping rifles and handguns out of sight. The steel lockbox is tamper-resistant, ensuring maximum security while on the move. Foam padding protects weapons from scratches, while the discreet installation maintains the vehicle's interior design. For hunters, professionals, or daily drivers, it's the ultimate mobile security solution. The DIY door frame hidden compartment is an ingenious way to repurpose unused space for security. Installed within a standard interior door frame, it provides hidden storage for firearms, valuables, or important documents. Accessible via discrete latches or magnetic keys, it blends seamlessly into the architecture of your home. Affordable, customizable, and clever, this design is perfect for those who prefer do-it-yourself security solutions while maintaining style and practice. The Timber Vault's occasional table is handcrafted furniture with a hidden purpose. At first glance, it appears to be a beautifully made wooden table, but beneath its surface lies a secure storage compartment for firearms or valuables. Precision crafted with quality woodwork and a concealed locking mechanism, it balances luxury design with discreet functionality. It's a stylish addition to living rooms or offices, ideal for those who want elegance and security in one. The ARM-15 AR-15 is a modern, highly customizable rifle designed for precision, reliability, and adaptability. Featuring lightweight construction, modular attachments, and superior ergonomics, it's built for enthusiasts who demand peak performance. Whether used for sports shooting, tactical training, or defense, the ARM-15 delivers accuracy and control in every situation. Its compatibility with numerous accessories makes it one of the most versatile AR platforms available. The hidden gun storage bed takes concealed storage to the next level by integrating a spacious hidden compartment beneath the mattress. Designed for discretion and practicality, it provides ample room for rifles, handguns, or valuables while keeping them secure and easily accessible. The locking mechanism ensures safety, while its sleek design fits seamlessly into modern bedrooms. Offering both comfort and defense readiness, it's a perfect fusion of furniture and security innovation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.